drop that tire. Go ahead. Go. Just keep going around until you hear the beep. Go, keep those knees bent. Alright, let's go. Drop it. Good. Next. Go. Let's go. Good. Drop that weight. Let's go. Next. Like the side pull drills. Let's go. Go. Up. Go. That's it. Big difference. I like the improvement. Good job. Good job on the breathing. Big improvement. Good job. Come on. Let's go. Let's get it in. Let's go. Brolic mode, kid. Let's go. Alright, one last one. Let's go. Go. Don't use your legs. Come on. If you have to, you stop. Don't use your legs. Come on. Let's go, Ben. Come on. 2 more. 1 more. That's it. Good job.